Now, here's something I've been talking about a little bit over the last couple of weeks. I do have some information for you. Next week, April 24th and 25th, that's Monday and Tuesday, from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., I'm going to be hosting a mobile DJ audio and lighting workshop at North Coast Center for the Arts, which is in Waukesha, Wisconsin. It's probably about 15-20 minutes west of Milwaukee. I've been working with North Coast and ACA for the better part of 30 years, and they approached me about 6 weeks ago because they had been contacted by several local DJs who wanted to learn more about what we do. So instead of me doing a class on telling you how to be an artist, which I have no desire to do, I thought, let's have a workshop. Let's talk about some audio and lighting fundamentals and how to set up your system and how to choose a system for your room. And I don't know, things like the audio chain and how to achieve 0 dB or unity gain, DSP settings, speaker levels, sub levels, even things like microphone settings and external microphone mixers. I'm also going to talk about some basic lighting fundamentals. What do we really want to achieve with our lighting, and how do we do it, and what kind of fixtures can we use, and how can we repurpose them? This is the first time we're going to be doing this. This is not going to be this big, huge classroom of 100 people. It's going to be a small, intimate workshop, and you do have to sign up to participate. And it's $100 for the 2-day session. And you can do all of that with the information right here in this video. I'm going to put more information in the description of this video. Again, this is our first time doing this, and I think it'll be fun. I have done seminars and workshops and keynotes for DJs really all over the world, all over the US, Canada, Germany, Netherlands, and the UK. And I love doing the hands-on stuff because we can actually have a conversation. You can ask me questions, and you can hear the audio. That's the hardest part about the YouTube videos that I do, because I've done a lot of them for DJs, but it's really hard to express audio fundamentals because you can't hear it. It's only as good as your PC speakers or your headphones and the sound card in your computer and the microphone on my camera. In person, you're going to be able to hear the difference and really hear what this stuff sounds like and how it acts in a room, how the acoustics are, what the bass sounds like in different places in the room. We're going to be able to do all of that in this workshop coming up next week. So I hope to see you there. This is going to be our first time out. I don't know if we're going to do more of these, and we may. If this goes well, maybe we'll do this, I don't know, every 2 months or something. But this is a really good time to get involved with something like this if you've got questions, because it's right before our wedding season kicks off around here. So hope to see you there. If you have more questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them for you. We'll see you then. We'll see you there. Hopefully, practice and enjoy.